Are you a passionate of art? Do you want to travel around the world and visit historical sites, museums without leaving your living room or classroom? We have a solution for you: Google Art and Culture. Thanks to extended reality and Google Earth, anyone is able to visit museums, participate in exhibitions, etc. virtually. This is possible because of Google Art and Culture. It is an online portal to reward art, culture, and historical collection. This can allow students to access art that might otherwise be geographically difficult to experience. The creator of the concept wants to digitize past and present artwork from all over the world and make these artworks accessible on the web. Google Art and Culture is accessible online or on an app. As teachers, it is useful to log into the app using a Google account to help save your data. With Google Art and Culture, users can travel virtually to visit and tour museums and art galleries, search paintings and artists using themes, colors, etc. Google Arts and Culture can be used in virtual reality. Students can have experiments and games with cultural artifacts around the world in 3D. Teachers can create lesson plans and allow the students to play those interactive games to discover art around the world. Teachers can create art gallery that students can visit. Students can also use the feature to create their own art galleries, take art selfies, have a puzzle party, etc. Google Art and Culture allows students and teachers to travel in time and space thanks to the feature Street View. With Street View, they can see, for example, dinosaurs during their era, or simply visit a remote village in Africa, see the Eiffel Tower, visit the Smithsonian Museum, etc., or travel in time to look at discoveries and inventions. Google Art and Culture helps not only to bring history to life, but also to learn virtually about places and culture that used to only be accessible through books.